Alright, here we go. This came UPS. Ordered it last week. Yeah, it's a bit slow because of this COVID thing going on right now. So yeah, that's why it's a bit slow. But we got it now, so we can't complain. Yeah, by the way, I've been asked questions about this knife. I got this from Thailand. It's quite a nice one, good quality, thick blade as well, you know. Yeah. But before you're thinking, no, I don't walk around with this. It stays inside. I don't walk around with it. I'm not one of them people before you get any ideas. Monster. Raw. You know, this is bigger than I thought, you know. I didn't realise it was that big. Yeah, I didn't realise it was that big. A lot bigger than I thought. Yeah, this is a lot bigger than I thought. Or maybe it's just the box making it a lot big. I don't know. This is it. So this was £30 Costco. When this first, I remember when this model first came out, it was a lot more than that. I'm sure it's about £60. But the reason why I bought this one, even though I've already got like about 3 Bluetooth speakers, but the reason why I bought this is because it was quite a good price, and plus this one can charge your phone at the same time as well. So that's the reason why I bought this one. And it's tough as well for the environment that I work. IP rated and all that. It says in there somewhere. Where is it? Where is it? See that? That's all the stuff it can do. I don't know if you can. What is that black line? What is that? Camera's doing some strange things. There it is. Monster speaker, monster. Actually, it's not that big. Just the box makes it a little big, but it is a bit bulkier than other USB speakers. Look, it's got like a little thread at the bottom down there. But yeah, this is the reason why I bought that lot, because you've got the USB out to charge phones and other things. At the moment at work, I'm sort of like carrying around my Bluetooth speaker and plus a power bank as well. But the thing is, I don't know how many times this will charge a phone. I don't know. Well, as long as it's enough to last a day, that's all I care about really. So you got aux in. And that's to charge the battery inside it, the micro USB. Then you got the charge out. Yeah, it looks solid. It feels solid. Yeah. So there's a movable. What's that base thing there? It sort of moves. Yeah, I think compared to the other Bluetooth speakers I got, this has got some weight to it. Alright, so that's the time. We're going to turn on the Bluetooth speaker and it's fully charged. Let's see how long it lasts. see, 4 bars, full battery. Alright, that's the end of the day. That's the time. And we're gonna turn the Bluetooth speaker off now.
Goodbye.
Alright, we'll continue tomorrow. Alright, so it's day 2. And we're gonna turn this Bluetooth speaker on now, day 2. Alright, the battery's now dead. And that's the time. That's the time. Battery's dead. Okay, so I've been using this speaker for a while now. For a couple of months. And here's my verdict on the speaker. Now the good point is this speaker's made very well. Just the feel of it, you can see is like, you know, it feels very nice, you know, it feels very sturdy. That's the quality of it, you know. It feels solid. And I'm sure if I was to drop this, it would not break. It's the way it's made. It's made very, very robust. And another good point to the speaker is that it's got a lot of bass. This speaker is very bassy compared to the other ones that I've tried out around this price point and size. It's probably because of this bass thing at the back, this sort of bass port. It's a very bassy speaker. Now, the bad points about the speaker, yeah, the bad points are, considering the sound that it puts out, the volume, it is quite bulky for what it is. It is quite big compared to my Sony one. It is a lump. Like my Sony one, and even some of the other ones I've had, you can actually put it in your pocket, but this, you can't put this in your pocket. Now when I first bought this, I thought that because of the size, I thought it would be a lot louder than my Sony one. But actually, my Sony one is probably slightly louder than this, believe it or not. But even though my Sony one's louder and smaller, this still has more bass. It's still got a lot more bass to it. You can feel the bass of this. The other bad point to this is that even though it's got a power bank function in it, so you can charge your phone and other things, the internal battery, yeah, let me focus. As you can see, the internal battery is only 2,200 milliampere hours, and that's not very much, you know. I think even a lot of smartphones have got a bigger battery than that. So what I found was, when I was putting my phone on charge, like if my phone was dead and I put this on charge, and I put my phone on charge, this battery will be dead. The battery's basically dead. One charge to charge my phone fully will basically kill this, and playing music at the same time, it will totally kill this battery. Battery will be flat. Yeah, considering the size of it, you know, I expected there to be a bigger battery than that inside it. And considering it's got the power bank function on it as well, yeah, it's not a very big battery. If you want to charge your phone as well, I guess this battery, I guess it's only suitable for charging things like a small MP3 player, something like that. But it's not really suitable for charging, keeping a smartphone charged, because it's not going to last you the whole day. It won't last. But other than that, yeah, it is a good speaker. It's got nice sound quality to it, and it's cheap as well, £30, you know. For £30 you can't really ask for more, you know, because you've got JBL and all those other ones that cost, you know, more than twice as much. So for the price, I cannot argue. It is a good speaker.